Castor oil beauty benefits. Who doesn't want flawless, glowing skin and bouncy hair? These are the two most common beauty concerns, and the anxiety that builds with trying to be perfect often has us resorting to chemical-laden products or unnecessary treatments. But there are better ways to get pretty that are pure and simple. Castor oil is one of them. Castor oil is the pale yellow liquid extracted from castor seeds and is very rich in antioxidants. Castor oil has been an age-old remedy for hair and skin-related issues. It is an elixir for beautiful hair and supple skin. Castor oil contains vitamin E, proteins and omega-6 and 9 that are the key components responsible for good hair and skin. It helps in the reduction of hair fall, premature graying of hair, fights any scalp-related problems along with accelerating hair growth. For your skin, be it pigmentation, acne or aging, castor oil is the solution of it all. Castor oil is a type of vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. The seeds are also called castor beans and contain high levels of ricin, a type of toxic enzyme. This oil has been used for ages in traditional therapies. Ancient Egyptians used castor oil to prevent eye irritation. You may have not known this, but castor oil is a natural beauty ingredient that can solve most of your skin and hair problems. We tell you some benefits of castor oil. 1. Can soothe sunburn. The moisturizing properties of castor oil can help soothe irritation and pain associated with sunburn. The anti-inflammatory property of castor oil is also to be responsible for this property. 2. Clears acne. The problem with most beauty products is that they strip the oil out of your skin. Each time your skin is robbed of oil, it compensates for the lack of moisture by producing more oil, which leads to oily and inflamed skin that triggers acne. Don't be afraid of applying oil to your skin. 3. It can reduce puffiness. Massaging the under eye area with castor oil can help reduce puffiness, keep the delicate skin moisturized, and reduce fine lines. Applying castor oil on your face is good for maintaining your skin health and keeping it glowing. Here's how you can do it. 4. Treats wrinkles. Castor oil can be a great natural remedy for wrinkles. It penetrates into the skin and boosts the production of collagen, which softens and hydrates the skin. It rejuvenates the skin by making it softer and smoother. Apply a small amount of castor oil over the wrinkled area and leave it overnight. 5. Gives healthy, shiny hair. Castor oil is the best oil to enrich your scalp. It contains ricinoleic acid and omega-6 fatty acids, and therefore when massaged onto the scalp it helps in increasing the blood circulation, which improves hair growth. Castor oil also moisturizes and conditions your hair naturally. 6. Keeps the skin moisturized. Any plant oil has moisturizing properties. Hence, castor oil can help keep the skin moisturized and healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.